Hi, everyone. Welcome back. There is a second part to this assignment that we need you to do. So we need you to come back into your budget proposal assignment. And now you're going to prioritize all of the costs and expenses that you've included in your budget. And you're going to prioritize them in terms of priorities 1, 2, or 3. The first priority is an item that you have to have. It's necessary to start or expand your business. You cannot do what you need to do without buying that item. That you're going to put into priority 1, and you're going to categorize that as a green budget item. The second category is a yellow budget item, a want to have. These are items or costs that will help improve your business. They're going to make it easier for you to operate or to do business, but it's not necessary. You could find other ways to do it. Those are priority 2. Those are yellow, which you color code in yellow. And then the third priority is the sort of dream items. You would love to have them. They're going to make your business better in the long term, but you don't necessarily need them someday. These are the someday items, right? Okay, so then some examples that you can see. We took our budget here, did the exact same thing for the Joy from Home business. That portable tent for outside dining, she doesn't need that necessarily. It'd be nice to have, so that's yellow. But she does need insurance, and she does need to-go food containers. So those are green. A stand mixer would be nice to have. Now, a professional blender, a commercial grade professional blender, probably use it maybe once every couple of weeks. That's definitely not something that she needs to have, or even a want item. So that would be categorized as a love to have, a long-term solution. Some other examples of long-term solutions might be like a pebble ice maker, or the ability to actually hire a part-time employee so that you can step away and have some time off. Love to have it. It's not going to happen in the next few months, right? Okay, so go ahead and color code every single item on your budget. Make sure that it's categories 1, 2, or 3, and using these colors so that we can easily assess the way that you're assessing your expenses. And then download the PDF. Do file, download PDF, and then take that PDF and submit that in the assignment itself. And if you have any questions or you need any help with this project or any others, your best bet, come to class on Wednesday night and we will help you to get these turned in. Have a good one. Take care, everyone. And we'll see you next time.